Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you very healthy and tasty Gujarati recipe, and that is spinach muthiya. So first in this bowl I am going to take 2 cups of jowar flour. So this is regular jowar flour I am taking. In this flour I am adding 2 cups of spinach. I just cut the spinach and wash it 2 to 3 times. And now for spices I am adding salt to taste. Then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of hing asafoetida, then 2 tablespoons of ginger, I just crushed the ginger, 2 tablespoons of green chili finely chopped. Then I am adding half cup of besan flour and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Now in this mixture I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I am going to mix everything together very nice. Just right now I am going to mix with the spoon. Just mix everything together. And now I am going to use my hand to mix the mixture. So mix it properly. Now it's halfway mixed and I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water. Just add little bit water at a time and keep mixing it. The reason to add water later on, because the spinach, salt and yogurt will mix together and it will be a wet mixture. So you know exactly how much water you need to add. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix everything together again. I totally forgot to add sugar in the beginning, so you can add sugar when you are adding all the spices. So now I'm going to cover with the plastic wrap and I'm just going to leave it like this for half an hour. So it's been half an hour and our mixture is ready. So now I'm going to take little bit amount of oil on my palm and just spread it around. And now take little bit dough and just make a cylinder like this. Just press it between the palm and make a cylinder. So this is a tray for the steamer. I am also going to grease the tray. So I am going to add little bit oil on the tray. And then I am going to place my muthiya on top of it, just like this. So now I am going to prepare all the muthiyas from the rest of the dough. Same method, prepare the cylinder and then just prepare all this muthiya like that. Now I am going to steam this. So here in the steamer I have my water boiling already. So in this water I am going to place my tray. Just place it like that. Now I am going to cover it and I am going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and my muthiya is steamed properly. Now I am going to switch off the flame and I am going to open it. Look at this. It looks so nice. Now I am going to let it cool down completely and then I am going to cut into the pieces. So meanwhile I am adding some oil in the pan. So I am preparing for the tempering. Adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now it start to crackle. I am going to add 2 whole red chili and just fry the red chili into the oil. Now in this one I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed and just let the sesame seed crack a little bit and add all the cut muthiyas in it and just toss everything together. Give it a nice stir and just keep mixing like this. You don't need to add any extra masalas on it, anything, just the tempering. Now I'm going to mix everything together very nice. So all the mustard seed and sesame seed will coat the muthiya pieces. And just mix everything together, and now garnish with some cilantro. And here our muthiya is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking!